Hello again. We already unboxed CAPAROC and Peter explained how to configure and order the circuit breaker system in our last videos. Today it is time to see the application of CAPAROC. Hands-on time finally. The base of our installation is this current rail. Now that this is placed, the assembly of the modules is a child's play. We always start with the power module. That offers the advantage of a central feed-in and communication interface for the CAPAROC system. Afterwards, the modules can be combined freely. All modules are directly supplied by plugging them onto the current rail, and no further accessories are required. All of this happens tool-free. Even the wiring thanks to push-in connection. And by the way, have you noticed how compact and space-saving CAPAROC is? Furthermore, the current rail in the back offers another great advantage. It provides an uninterruptible power supply for the system. Therefore, the system isn't shut down even if modules are replaced. This is a big plus for system availability. CAPAROC is an exemplary driver for digitization in control cabinet building with its comprehensive data package and the intuitive configuration. Nevertheless, the easy handling with smart and time-saving features is just as important to raise the efficiency in control cabinet building.